Do you know that your happiness is controlled by tiny chemicals inside your brain? Every time you laugh, feel motivated, or experience love, it's because of four powerful hormones: dopamine, serotonin, oxytocin, and endorphins. In this video, we'll explore how these happy hormones shape your emotions, your health, and your life, and how you can naturally boost them every day. Welcome to Do You Know, where learning is fun, interesting, and easy to understand. If you love exploring science, psychology, and the secrets of human behavior, you're in the right place. Today, we'll dive deep into the fascinating world of happy hormones, how they work, what affects them, and how you can control your own happiness chemistry naturally. Hormones are like chemical messengers. They travel through your bloodstream, sending signals to your brain and body. Some hormones control growth, sleep, or metabolism. But the ones we call happy hormones control emotions and pleasure. These are dopamine, the reward chemical that gives you motivation and excitement; serotonin, the mood stabilizer that keeps you calm and balanced; oxytocin, the love or bonding hormone; endorphins, the body's natural painkillers. Together, they form the happiness system in your brain, keeping your emotions in check and your mood positive. Let's start with dopamine, the chemical that drives you to take action. It's released when you achieve something, whether it's finishing a task, eating your favorite food, or hearing someone appreciate your work. That feeling of satisfaction and motivation, that's dopamine at work. In modern life, dopamine is everywhere. Social media likes, phone notifications, gaming achievements, all trigger small bursts of it. But here's the catch. Too much artificial dopamine can make your brain crave instant rewards. It's like eating too much sugar. You get short-term pleasure, but lose long-term motivation. Ways to naturally boost dopamine: set small daily goals and reward yourself for achieving them. Exercise regularly. Even a 20-minute walk helps. Listen to motivating music. Practice gratitude. Write 3 things you're thankful for each day. Avoid multitasking and focus on one task at a time. Dopamine loves structure. The more you follow small routines and complete them, the more focused and motivated your brain becomes. If dopamine is the excitement chemical, serotonin is the calm chemical. It keeps your mood steady and helps you feel content and peaceful. When serotonin levels drop, you might feel anxious, sad, or irritated for no clear reason. One of the simplest ways to increase serotonin is sunlight. Just 10 to 15 minutes in, morning sunlight tells your brain to produce more serotonin. That's why people often feel more cheerful in bright weather and low during gloomy days. Natural serotonin boosters. Spend time outdoors every day. Eat foods rich in tryptophan like bananas, eggs, nuts, salmon, and tofu. Practice meditation and deep breathing. Maintain good posture. Studies show even standing tall improves serotonin. Keep a gratitude journal. Serotonin also improves digestion, sleep, and memory, showing that your gut health and mental health are closely linked. So, a healthy diet means a happier mood. Next, let's talk about oxytocin, the hormone of love, bonding, and trust. When you hug someone, share a meal, play with a pet, or even help a stranger, oxytocin flows. It builds emotional connections and strengthens relationships. Oxytocin also reduces stress and lowers blood pressure. That's why people in loving relationships often live longer and healthier lives. But in today's digital world, many people spend hours on screens and lose real social contact, reducing oxytocin levels. To fix that, you don't need grand gestures, just simple acts of kindness and presence. Ways to increase oxytocin: give hugs and show affection. Spend quality time with friends and family. Express gratitude and appreciation. Do something kind for someone without expecting anything back. Play with pets or volunteer to help others. Oxytocin reminds us that human connection is nature's best medicine. The more love you give, the more happiness you feel. Finally, let's talk about endorphins, your body's built-in stress relievers. These chemicals reduce pain and boost feelings of pleasure and relaxation. You feel them after exercise, laughter, or even when eating spicy food or chocolate. Endorphins help you handle physical and emotional stress. They are also behind the famous runner's high, that euphoric feeling after a long workout. Natural endorphin boosters. Do regular physical exercise, running, dancing, swimming. Laugh daily. Watch something funny. Try aromatherapy with lavender or vanilla. Listen to upbeat music. Eat small amounts of dark chocolate or spicy food. Spend time doing creative activities like painting, singing, or gardening. Endorphins not only lift your mood, but also strengthen your immune system and improve sleep quality. Now here's something fascinating. These 4 hormones don't work alone. They form a network that influences your entire personality and emotional balance. Think about this. You go for a walk with a friend, give serotonin from sunlight, oxytocin from bonding, dopamine from finishing the walk, and endorphins from movement. One simple activity activates all four. That's why happy people aren't lucky. They just practice habits that trigger these hormones every day. Here's a simple daily routine you can follow to keep your happy hormones balanced. Morning. Spend 10 minutes in sunlight, gives boosts serotonin. Do light stretching or deep breathing, gives boosts endorphins. Daytime. Focus on small goals, dopamine. Talk to a loved one, oxytocin. Evening. Listen to calm music, reflect on 3 things you're grateful for, gives dopamine and serotonin. Get 7 to 8 hours of good sleep, gives resets all hormones naturally. Small, consistent habits create big emotional changes. Scientists have found that emotional imbalances, anxiety, and depression often link to irregular hormone activity. For example, too little serotonin can lead to sadness, while too much dopamine can lead to addiction-like behaviors. So the goal is balance, not excess. Your body naturally knows how to adjust these. You just have to give it the right environment. Good food, rest, social connection, and purpose. Remember, happiness is not about ignoring problems. It is about having the strength to manage them with a positive mind. Exercise your brain the same way you exercise your body. Stay curious, stay kind, and stay active. Your hormones will do the rest. So now you know the real science behind happiness. Dopamine motivates you. Serotonin calms you, oxytocin connects you, and endorphins protect you. Start applying these habits today and feel the difference in your mind and body. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and share it with someone who deserves a smile today. And remember, when you subscribe to DoYouKnow, you don't just learn facts, you learn life.